My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
Cracking YouTube, is me, your host Tuna, aka your favorite sneaker here. Once again, bringing another sneaker pickup / sneaker review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below, and it'll be right next to me right there. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. Alright, so actually this is the second video of today. If you haven't, go check out my review on the very cool brand espressos, very cool brand low espressos, and I threw another shoe up in that video too. It was a very cool brand High College Dropout. Go check that out right now. It'll be at the end of this video. Right when the video about to end is gonna pop up, so go check that out. That was probably like 2-3 hours ago, and I thought I was done. Like I told y'all in the video, in that previous video, I told you that I have a flight that I have to catch today around like 5-6 o'clock. It is currently 3:27. So I am actually in a rush. I still need to take a shower. Good thing I already packed or whatever like that. So, but another thing I said in that video was a shock drop was happening today. And it did happen at 11 o'clock Pacific time, 2 o'clock Eastern time. It was for the Air Jordan 1 UNC Toe. I think that's what's called. Yeah, blue toe. Yeah, UNC Toe. I was not lucky enough to get that shoe, and I really do want that shoe. I tried on 2 accounts, plus Jessica tried on her account, so that's 3 total accounts. Went upstairs, I had to go to storage unit to look for my passport. I did find my passport. That's a good thing today. I did find my passport without having to buy a new one. But went to storage unit. We left our phones in the car. Wanted to be a surprise. I just assumed we was gonna win because it was so many pairs. Came back, all 3 phones said you have not won. So took 3 L's a day. You know, if you get more than 2 L's, might as well call yourself Cool J. But it is what it is. My homeboy Steve hit me up, and guess what? I was able to get my pair, secure my pair, and it was not. Of course, I paid resale, but it was not even that much. It was and funny story. Shout out to my boy Steve. I met up with him only 10 minutes away. We met at a different location, which is closer to my house. I told him I had a flight. He gets there 5 minutes after me. He said, "Guess what, bro? I left your shoe at the house." So he had to go back. I had to wait another 10 minutes. He got my pair, but that's my guy. And when I paid for it, he took off $10 for me having to wait. So I mean, even better like that. So all right, let's get straight to it. I love this baby blue box. I just love this baby blue box. It's so dope. Got Nike right there on the front. It reads Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. Color is University Blue, black, white, size 8.5. So you know, suggested retail price I think was $180, $190. I'll tell y'all once I get to the information. But size 8.5. So you know what that means? Personal pair, no reseller here. Boom. All right. Without further ado, oh, these just so fire, bro. Just so fire. Oh, I was about to say, I know it got some extra laces in there. Let me see what the extra laces is. Oh, okay. So without further ado, that box right there. I got all the animals in here. Yoda right there, Chewie walking around, all crazy. All right. So without further ado, we got the Air Jordan 1 High UNC Toe. Boom. All right, cool. Dope shoe. Reminds me a lot of the Obsidians, which the Obsidian was a darker blue color, but everything else, the color blocking is pretty much the same. I like this shoe. This is just a dope shoe. I thought it was going to be like, actually I thought this was going to be, hold up, stay right, you could just keep it on the shoe. I thought it was gonna be like these low tops, women's, that I had purchased a while back. I thought it was gonna be like these. No, it's not. No, it's not. I mean, no, nothing at all. Not even. These look tiny too. But this is a 9.5 women. So I mean, it's a half size. It's a size 8 men. So I thought it was like that. It's not. But more close to the Obsidians, if anything. All right. So let me give you some information. Off of sneakernews.com. It's going to be on the left of me right there in 2, 1. It should be up right now. Shout out to sneakernews.com. It reads, let's get to it. This was updated July the 6th, 2023, which is today. No, it's not. Yeah, today. A sneaker shock drop is confirmed for 2 p.m. Estimated 108,000 pairs are estimated to release. And I did not hit a single pair. That's crazy. 108,000 pairs, and I didn't get one. But I mean, whatever, it is what it is. Okay, that's updated to July 5th. A shock drop is expected to July. Alright, it reads Jordan Brand. Y'all can read along with me. Jordan Brand's unmistakable toe theme, color blocking formula returns to store in early fall, bringing with it one of the most iconic colorways in the Air Jordan fabric. This black university blue and white colorway, otherwise known as, oh, that's a big word right there. Y'all see it on the screen, but as UNC Toe arrives clad in leather with a smooth black overlays and ankle pads, smooth white mid panel, and the tumbled texture on the Tar Heel inspired shade of blue at the toe box, ankle collar, and heel. The black nylon tongue and white midsole are standard practice for the Air Jordan 1. As is the solid rubber outsole itself flooded in the university blue. While Air Jordan 1s have indeed cooled off considerably in 2023, it's hard to see this attractive release sit on the shelves. In short, don't sleep on these. Release date July. Oh, so the initial release date is July 22nd. So technically, this is an early sneaker release, and I love giving y'all early sneaker releases. This is almost 2 weeks early, yeah, because it's July 22nd. And like I said, suggested retail price was $180. Yeah. And it comes with all 4 sizes: men's, grade school, little kids, infant, toddlers, and crib. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Y'all got that. Take this off, and it's off. All right, cool. Yeah, man. Like I said, got that UNC color thing right there on the toe box right there, and on the back heel, and on the ankle flaps right there. Got the Air Jordan wings right there. Got this black leather Nike swoosh, the nylon black tongue right there. Nike in the UNC colorway right there. On the top, some more of that black leather overlays right there. On the side, white side panels, white leather side panels right there. Very nice material. White midsole. Outer sole is that university blue. This is just a beautiful, beautiful shoe. Now, this is a shoe I'm definitely gonna keep. Black laces, and it does come with some extra UNC laces as well. I am not a fan of the Air Jordan 1. I make that clear on a lot of my videos, but this colorway is so dope. This is just so dope. Like, I just love the university color blue. Like, it's just, I love the university blue color. Excuse me, I said that kind of backwards. But dope shoe, very, very nice shoe. I'm happy I got it in my collection. I will try to double up on this. So when it does drop the initial date, July 22nd, I will be going for this again. I don't think it's going to be too hard to get it that time because it will be in stores. Shop drops are always kind of hard to hit. But like, it's always a hit and miss. Most of the time, it's a miss. But y'all let me know in the comments below what y'all think about this shoe. How much you going to get this shoe? 1 to 10?
A 9.
Oh, that's a high grade. I'm gonna go a 9 too. I like this. I like that blue is nice. That blue is nice. I'm already in my brain. I'm already thinking about fits to wear with this. But like this, but it's easy. It's blue, white, and black. Typical color, so it's gonna be easy to put a fit with it. So I'm gonna go 9 too. You know what? Nah, I'm gonna take it down to 8.5. Only because I'm not a fan of Air Jordan 1s. So 8.5. So I think this is a dope shoe. This is a dope shoe. So y'all let me know in the comments below what you think about this shoe. Like, subscribe, share. Follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. And as always, from me, your host, Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead, representing Tune's Kicks. and the whole team squad, you know what to do. Have a nice day.